In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an admin team member to Wrike. We'll walk through this together step by step, so you can confidently give someone admin access to a space in your Wrike workspace. Admin permissions are powerful because they allow a user to manage settings, permissions, and sometimes workflows, so it's important to know exactly where these controls live and how to use them correctly. First, make sure you're logged into your Wrike account and that you already have the rights to manage space settings. You'll need at least space admin or account admin permissions to follow along. Once you're in Wrike, look at the main workspace area. Up in the workspace interface, find the small gear icon. This gear icon is your shortcut into the settings area. Go ahead and click the gear. This opens up the settings panel for the space you're currently working in. Inside the settings, you'll see several tabs or sections. You want to be in the general section, because that's where the core configuration options for this space are located. Find the option labeled General and click it. This will bring up details about the space, such as its name, description, and various management options, including who can administer it. On the General page, look for a small arrow next to the section where admins or access roles are listed. This arrow usually indicates that there are more options hidden in a drop-down or an expandable menu. Click on that arrow. When you do, Wrike will show you more detailed controls for assigning roles, including the admin role. Now, in that expanded list, look for the admin option. This is the role that grants elevated permissions within the space. Click on admin to select or manage that role. Depending on your current plan, Wrike might prompt you to upgrade before you can add more admins. If you see a message about upgrading your plan, it means your current subscription tier doesn't allow additional space admins. In that case, you'll need to work with whoever manages your Wrike subscription to upgrade before proceeding. If your plan already supports additional admins, selecting admin here lets you assign the admin role to the appropriate team member from the available users. Once assigned, that person will now be able to help manage settings and keep your space organized and secure.